Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to iOS Pro Hacker. So today, in this video, you will learn about recovering your iPhone's iPad's deleted data. If you have deleted your iPhone's any of your data, such as photos, videos, notes, messages, WhatsApp chats, and all that, and you want to recover it back to your iDevice, so this is the video for you. So right now, I am deleting the photos in my iPhone, and I'm gonna show you in this video that how to recover these deleted photos or any other deleted data from the iPhone. So I have deleted each and everything from my iPhone, such as photos, messages, notes, contacts. I have nothing in my iPhone right now except some of my useful applications. So I'm gonna show you that how to recover the deleted data. You can recover contacts, messages, notes, videos, photos, Safari history, WhatsApp chats, Kik, Viber and WeChat conversations also. So anyways, enough talking, let's get started to the tutorial. Unfortunately, the data recovery cannot happen without a computer. You need a computer for this process. So in the computer, you need to visit the Joyoshare website and download the software. I have inserted the link of this website in the description down below. Here we have some little introduction and features of this software. You can check this out. Anyways, let's get back. So this software is available in Windows PC and Mac as well. This software is not for free, but we can always recover the small amount of data by using the free trial version of this software. So let's download and install it. Alright, so the software has installed successfully in my computer. So basically, it has three different features to recover the data. You can recover data directly from the iOS device and from the iTunes backup if you have created before. And you can recover the data from the iCloud backup also, because these days everybody has iCloud account in their iPhones and iCloud creates a backup of our iPhone automatically. So this will be a very useful feature to recover your data. So let's get back to the first option and recover the data from the iOS device itself. Let's connect it to the computer now. Make sure to unlock the device and press the trust button on your iPhone. So my iPhone is attached. So you can see here, you have different choices that what type of data you want to recover from your iPhone, like messages, contacts, call history, notes, WhatsApp chats, and all that. So unselect any of them if you don't want to recover it, but I'm gonna select them all and gonna press the scan button to scan the device. It may take few minutes to complete, depends on your device data. The more data you have, the more time it will take. So I'm gonna skip this part. So you can see the scanning has completed. It has scanned about 7,000 contacts. Oh my god, even I have only 4 or 5 contacts in my iPhone. So it has scanned all of the contacts which I have deleted in the past since I bought the iPhone. And here I have the call history and 85 notes, calendars, reminders, and my Safari bookmarks. And if I scroll down, here I have photos. You can see it has scanned about 72 photos. Even I had deleted the photos, so it has scanned all the deleted ones. And here we have app photos. It is basically the photos which were saved in other applications. Pretty cool. And it has also scanned deleted chats of WhatsApp. I didn't have installed other social media applications like Viber and WeChat. That's why it has not scanned that ones. And you can see it has scanned all the messages, deleted messages also from my iPhone. And that's good. So alright, let's select the data to recover. Let's select photos and let's do this call history and 7,000 contacts, and in the last let's messages. Alright, okay, let's press the blue recover button which is at the bottom right corner. So people, as you can see, the data is recovered. It created different folders for each type of data: call history, contacts folder, messages folder, and photos folder, which are most important in our life. Pretty cool. Anyways guys, if you are unable to recover the data, you can see all of my photos, contacts and everything is back to me and recovered successfully. Anyways guys, if you are unable to recover the data from the iPhone itself, so you also have other options here. If you have iTunes backup created in the past of your iPhone, so it will show up here, so you can scan that backup to recover the data also. And if you have not iTunes backup in your PC, so you have third option here to recover the data from iCloud account, iCloud backup. This will surely gonna help you to recover your data. Just simply insert your Apple ID here, iCloud ID here and scan the data to recover. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. This was the video to help you guys to recover your deleted data from your iPhone, iPad or iPod. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Stay connected with me. See you later in the next video. Peace.